Hi, welcome to 4303 Adams in Garden City, Idaho. This home is one block from the Greenbelt and the brand new school being built. Let's go inside and check it out. You're going to love this 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 1-car garage home. This incredible home comes with its own 1-car garage. As we head inside the home, you can see that the grounds are cared for, and the front of the house has a beautiful covered patio for sitting. Let's go inside. I love the great room effect this home has. The kitchen, the dining area, and the living room all combine to make one very usable, livable home. What are you waiting for? This home was built brand new in 2017. Come on down and check it out. Both bedrooms offer beautiful sized closets for the space. There it is. Love the shelves. And the other bedroom could be used for an office or a bedroom, whatever you like. Check inside. Another nice closet. The bathroom is well sized with a window, and as we look this way, we'll see the utility room. The utility room has room for the stackable washer dryer and a door. There's a coat rack that leads out back to the street. Let's take a look. Ta-da! And we are outside. And here's the back side of the home. Look how beautiful it is.